In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Twilio. Whether you're facing technical issues, have billing questions, or need support with one of Twilio's many services, knowing how to create a support ticket can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into the process together, step by step, so you can get the help you need efficiently. First things first, the journey begins with logging into your Twilio account. Head over to your web browser and enter this URL, console.twilio.com. Once there, you'll see a login page. If you already have your credentials, simply go ahead and enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, you'll find options to reset it, ensuring you can still proceed with this process. Now, once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll notice there's a lot you can do here, but today we're focusing on seeking help. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see a small icon resembling a question mark. This is your gateway to getting the support you need. Click on this icon, and it will open a drop-down menu filled with various support options. From here, you're going to select the Help Center option. This will redirect you to Twilio's Help Center page, which is an extensive resource for users. It's packed with articles, guides, and FAQs that may often answer questions without the need for a support ticket, so it's always good to look through some of these resources first. However, if you find you need personalized support, creating a ticket is the next step. Now, navigating the Help Center is straightforward, designed to help you find support quickly and efficiently. If you're having trouble locating where to submit a ticket once in the Help Center, don't worry. Look for the Support section or a search bar where you can enter a brief description of your issue. This will guide you to a tailored set of articles. However, if these do not solve your problem, there should be an option to submit a new ticket found prominently on the page. When filling out your ticket, be sure to provide as much detail as possible about your issue. Include relevant information such as any error messages, steps you've taken to troubleshoot the problem, and even screen captures if applicable. This will help Twilio's support team assess and address your issue more swiftly. And that's it! You've successfully reached a point where you can send a detailed support request. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation of your ticket, and a member of the Twilio support team will reach out to you with assistance. Remember, being clear and detailed in your communication will significantly aid in the resolution process, and don't forget to check back for status updates on your ticket. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful in navigating Twilio's support system. With these steps, you should now feel empowered to seek out the assistance you need with confidence. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your endeavors on Twilio.